Today we're going to talk about the best artificial Christmas trees this year. If you're used to the tradition of a real Christmas tree, switching to an artificial one may seem like a significant change, but we believe you'll be pleased with the finest artificial Christmas trees on the market. Discover large, lush Christmas trees that will fool even the most keen eye, as well as festive upgrades with splashes of color and other surprises. Let's get to the best artificial Christmas trees. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 5 we have the Real Feel Heritage Balsam Spruce Faux Christmas Tree. If you want best pre-lit Christmas tree, don't worry if this is your first time putting up an artificial tree. The directions included in the box are pretty detailed, but you may not even need to consult them until you reach the top piece. There are also 6 and 7 feet variants for smaller areas, lower ceiling, or fewer budgets. This tree's sturdiness, which can be tightened in 3 different ways, distinguishes it from other trees. The combination of PVC and Feel genuine needles enhance the realism of this tree and provide the ideal foundation for a magnificent tree topper. Bear in mind that some of the lower branches may point downward, so place the heaviest decorations towards the top of the tree. For the best unlit Christmas tree, we have the Artificial Slim Christmas Tree. The National Tree Company Artificial Slim Christmas Tree is an excellent choice if you're searching for a tree that you can customize. This minimalist tree is lacking of lights and ornamentation, allowing you to decorate it in your own style, and even alter it from year to year. This tree's assembly took less than 7 minutes, and needed just one person. The sections were far lighter than other possibilities, and the branches were simple to separate for intuitive and speedy fluffing. Disassembly was considerably simpler, requiring no instructions. The tree is readily compressed and fits into its storage box. This tree's tiny look makes it perfect for tight corners and compact places, but reduces its realism. The tree remains strong enough to support ornaments and tree toppers, making it ideal for people who like to embellish their tree. If you love the best statement Christmas tree, then the 7.5-foot Feel Real Downswept Douglas Fir is the right one for you. In comparison to both more expensive and less expensive trees, National Tree Company's 7.5 feet Feel Real Downswept Douglas Fir hits a nice mix between affordability, realism, and setup simplicity. This tree's structure is comparable to that of other high-quality artificial trees, with approximately 2,000 realistic polyethylene branch tips encircling a core covered in less realistic PVC pine needles. The downswept Douglas fir, however, gives a more convincing image of a live tree because of its higher than average percentage of realistic branches. The tree's exceptional adaptability is a result of its 750 built-in LED bulbs, which can be switched between white, multicolor, and a combination of the two. Also, whereas other trees need you to manually locate and connect the light string plugs amid the foliage, this tree includes a trunk-mounted Power Connect system that accomplishes the work automatically when its 3 pieces are stacked. For the most realistic artificial Christmas tree, the Nordmann Fir 7 feet with candlelight clear LED will sort you out. This is the gold standard of artificial trees. The branches are based on cuttings from genuine Nordmann firs, and the needles are waxy green on top and silvery below, much like the real thing. Unlike some other versions, the trunk has been made to seem like a genuine tree trunk to enhance the lifelike appearance. This 7 feet model has 2,026 tips. In addition to sizes ranging from 4 feet to 12 feet, you have a variety of lighting choices. The tested Candlelight Clear contains 650 bulbs. The Color Plus Clear variant features 960 light bulbs. The Twinkly Light Show option contains just 480 lights, but they can be manipulated through an app on a mobile device to produce various effects. There is an unlit variant as well. Balsam Hill trees are simple to assemble due to their 3 interlocking components, but they are quite heavy. This one weighs 45 kilograms, so you will likely need 2 individuals to assemble it. Finally, we have the Vermont White Spruce for the best overall artificial Christmas tree. The Vermont White Spruce is Balsam Hill's most popular product because of its realism, beauty, and range of lighting choices and heights. Additionally, it works well with the brand's wreaths and garlands for a complete house decoration. Putting up the tree is a breeze. Simply snap parts together, plug the tree into an outlet, and then use the foot pedal or remote to activate the lights. When disassembling, it is not necessary to turn off the lights, just separate and store the parts. That's all we had for today, and once again, check the description for links below to product updated prices. If you loved the video, subscribe for more up-to-date product reviews.